In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your Shopify store name. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where your store name lives inside your Shopify dashboard, how to view it, and how to change it if you ever need to. First, make sure you're logged into your Shopify account. Once you're signed in, you'll land on your Shopify dashboard. This is your main control center where you manage your products, orders, customers, and everything else related to your store. From here, we're going to head straight to the settings, because that's where your store name is stored. Look towards the bottom left corner of your dashboard and click on Settings. This opens a new page with a list of different setting categories for your store. Don't worry if it looks a bit overwhelming. We're only focusing on the general store details for now. On the Settings page, you should see a section labeled General or Store Details at the top. This is where Shopify keeps your basic information, like your store name and contact details. Under that section, look for the option that has a small store icon next to it and click on that. This will open your main store information page. Near the top of this page, you'll see a field labeled Store Name. The text that appears in that field is your current Shopify store name. This is the name Shopify uses internally for your store, and it can also appear in places like your admin, some notifications, and in various parts of your online store theme, depending on how it's set up. If you just wanted to find out what your store name is, you're done at this point. You can make a note of it or confirm it matches what you expect. If you'd like to change it, you can do that right here as well. Simply click into the store name field, delete the existing name if needed, and type in the new name you'd like to use. Take a moment to double check your spelling and make sure the name looks exactly how you want it to appear. Once you're happy with the store name, scroll down if necessary and click the Save button. Shopify will update your settings, and your new store name will now be applied to your account. That's all there is to it. You've successfully found your Shopify store name, and you now know how to update it whenever you need to.